everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And this is Car Show Cam. This is always a great event. We always love going out to this event. It's on a Sunday, which makes it perfect because there's not a lot of other car shows to compete with. And anyway, we had a lot of cars out there this month. We took a lot of pictures, a lot of video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.
Damn, there's a lot of cars here early.
It ain't early.
It is. It's 11, just a little after 11, dear.
Mom, it starts at 11.
I know that.
So they're not early.
So where are you parking?
Well, my spot's taken.
I see that.
Maybe I'll park behind that red Chevy over there.
Alright.
Or beside it, one. No, I ain't parking beside it. They're standing in it.
Mm-hmm.
I'll just park behind it.
Where you want your camera?
Well, I guess we need to put one down there.
Mm-hmm.
And I guess I'll put one right there.
Alright, so you're just doing two today?
Yep.
these go on? Man, it's a 29. That him?
Yeah. Yeah, it sure is.
Yeah. Wonder where he's been. Don't care. You want to leave him on it?
Yeah, you can just leave it on for now. Which side is it on? That side or that side?
It's on this one.
Alright.
What? Oh, yeah.
Trying to get my seat belt.
Yeah.
There we go. Recorded a new video while we're out
Yeah.
here. The Grand Tour.
Yeah.
I narrated a tour through the car show.
Oh, okay.
How good the car's going. I can just pull right up next to it. You can just hop right out.
Whatever. What was his? Which is his car? Quinn.
Corvette.
Oh, okay. Those are a popular car.
Old retiree, old
Yeah.
man car these days.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go up this one
Yeah.
to go across the front so it's
Alright.
gonna miss the bumps.
All right. Well, that's Jermaine's, right?
Yeah, I think his was right there.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Too damn hot to stay till 1 o'clock.
Yeah. It's rather warm. Of course, bagels are filling, but
All right, everybody. That's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for April. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, please consider giving us a like, a subscribe, a comment, and a share. Share it around to all your car people or non-car people. We don't discriminate. And if you could, drop us a subscribe. Subscribe if you can, because it helps out the channel and helps us grow. And we're trying to grow the channel as much as possible and get monetized. So, like I always say, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you.